Alright, here we go. My sister got a new car. I think this might be my niece's car that she got. And so Jada was checking out the trunk. And so I have this paper that I guess that would be 6x6. I got those a long time ago from Tuesday morning, and I keep forgetting they're there. So I grabbed and tried to find one that would match, because I just needed something for a format, so I didn't want to cut into a 12x12 sheet for that. And then here's the vellum that, or the tissue paper that come in the kit that I also wanna use. And of course there's Theo. And then my background for this layout is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans 22 Bloom Street. And this is my first layout for the February kit. Oh, I see it. I was going to use both. I guess I do. I use both colors. It's nap time. All the kitties were sleeping. Oh, this cat. I think out of all of them, Theo's the worst for getting in my way when I scrapbook. And I don't get it. Why? They lay on my stuff. They've got to be in the way. It's got to be always right there. Jeepers. Oh, boy. Alright, so now the embellishment part. The cards I cut from the Heidi Swap Art Walk Sea to Sky cut apart page. You can either have the pattern on the backside or the cards that you can cut apart as layering pieces or journaling on the other side. And the die cuts are Pink Fresh Studios Noteworthy. And I did have leftover stickers and whatnots from My Favorite Story that I will bring in from time to time. I need to move that over so the cards fit. Somehow I had it over too far. Let's see here. So I use the, so I'm going to use the puppy phrase stickers for my title. Wowza is the Pink Fresh Studio My Favorite Story, and Best Day is also Pink Fresh Studio My Favorite Story puffy alphabet stickers. So I use Wowza from the phrase stickers, and I do Best Day Ever using the alphabet stickers, all from My Favorite Story and the January kit. So I'm just putting down my flowers, which is perfect because this is a girl layout. So my little niece, Jada. And then I'm going to use this. This came in the kit. No, actually, I took it out. This is actually from the March kit, but I took it out of that kit to use here. And so I'm going to put down 3 dots, 1 dot near each cluster, and then do enamel dots for the other 2, because those dry like enamel dots. So that's what I like about them. And then that is going to complete my oh wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry. Best Day is the puppy stickers, and Ever is Pink Fresh Studio Super Cool. It's from the Super Cool puppy alphabet stickers. So anyway, so he's oh boy, Sam's like, pay attention to me, booger. So anyway, once I get my title down, working around him, I will be back. That will pretty much complete my layout. So I will be back with more. Thanks for watching, guys, and being patient with the cat. Bye.